Today, we have some exciting news in the world of smartphones, particularly about Samsung Galaxy S25. But before we dive into that, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never missed out on our latest updates. So Samsung recently launched the Galaxy S24, and it's been making waves in the market. But as always, the tech community is already buzzing about what's next, and that's the Galaxy S25. Now, if we take a quick trip down memory lane, the S-series phones from Samsung have maintained a familiar look since the Galaxy S21 back in 2021. Sure, there have been some incremental changes along the way, but the overall design has remained relatively consistent. However, it seems like Samsung might be gearing up to shake things up with the S25. According to a well-known South Korean tipster, who goes by the name user 1122, the S25 is set to have a whole new look. They claim to have insider information from sources within the company, hinting at significant changes both in appearance and hardware. One of the most notable rumors is regarding the screen size. The base model of the Galaxy S25 is rumored to increase from 6.2 inches to 6.36 inches. Now, this could be in response to rumors surrounding the iPhone 16 Pro, which is also expected to increase its screen size. Additionally, there have been reports suggesting that Samsung has brought in a design expert, formerly from Mercedes-Benz, to give the S25 series a fresh new look. This indicates a potential design overhaul that fans have been eagerly awaiting. Now, in terms of hardware, there's talk that Samsung might be switching to Sony sensors for both the S25 and S25 Plus, moving away from their own GM3 sensor. While this decision could impact Samsung's camera unit, it shows the company's commitment to delivering the best possible experience for users. And let's not forget about the powerhouse under the hood. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with some other models, is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, promising higher speeds compared to its competitors. And that wraps up today's video. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25? Are you excited about the potential changes, or do you prefer the current design? Let me know in the comments section below. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at three Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD+ resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy S25 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy S54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy S55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy S55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy S55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements. Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.